Ashimary Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install and styling of this full 13x4 250% density 30-inch reddish brown wig from Ashimary Hair. And like, this color is just eating you guys. Like, it really is eating the girlies up. And it's a full 13x4, so I am in love. So Ashimary did send me this wig, but like I told you all last time, if you go to my page and look at my oldest video, the first video I ever posted on my channel was the Ashimary hair review. I've been buying from them for a very long time, so I was super excited to work with them. But I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. So they put it in a nice little turquoise box, and it came with a couple of treats. Here's like a little necklace, a wig cap, a HD wig cap at that. It has their branding on it. Here's like information on how to take care of the hair and contact Ashimary. A robe. It came with a band to tie down your wig once you install it. An eyebrow razor, which you will definitely need during the install, you'll see. And a pair of lashes. Let's see what we're working with here. So the wig already comes pre-curled. Like, look at that. It's giving like Ariel almost. It's like a reddish brown. This is gonna be really, really pretty. Like, those curls are bouncing. This is a 30-inch, 250% density wig, and I'm super excited. Let's look at this wig and play with it a little bit. Y'all, this wig actually smells really good too. Like, it smells fantastic. So I decided not to bleach the knots because I definitely didn't want to mess up this hair color because it just looked fire. So I was like, let me not mess up the hair color at all. But this is how the hairline looks. And the lace is super thin, like it looks invisible. Okay y'all, and also let me take this thing off because I think this is a full 13x4. That's one thing I do love about Ashimary. They have a full 13x4, full 13x6. Like, they don't cheat you on the lace at all. You actually get all of your parting room, which I just love. Okay, that's super duper cute. Like, this looks really good on camera. And it does have like a tag with their branding on it. Smells really good. So firstly, I'm gonna spray a little lace tint on this lace to make it blend in with my skin tone a little more. This is cute. This is really, really cute. This hair is kind of giving Poison Ivy a little bit. Like, it's kind of giving that cutesy. But let's go ahead and cut off this lace now. So I always like to work in threes, so I'm just gonna cut pieces off at the temples and make my 3 sections. We have our 3 sections here, and I'm just folding all of this back, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with my lace spray and actually glue this wig down. So I'm using the even lace spray, and I'm gonna do 3 layers. Kind of guide it with my finger so it doesn't like drip down my entire face. So now I'm gonna blow dry this. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the second layer, you guys. And now we're gonna blow dry that. Okay guys, we're doing a 3rd layer, and this layer we're gonna do a little bit different. So I go ahead and spray in the spot I want the wig to be. I'm sorry you guys, I chew on my tongue a lot during these videos. But I'm going to put the wig where I want it to lay. So about right there. Okay, so now I'm going in with this eyebrow razor, and I'm gonna cut off this excess lace. Ooh, this thing is sharp. It's super easy. The eyebrow razors I've worn them down so much, it's like a little harder to cut now. And it's okay if it comes up a little bit. We're gonna touch up any spots you kind of see coming up at the end. So now let's touch up these spots that you all kind of see this lace looking crazy. I think I might have cut my forehead a little bit. It hurts when I put that spray on it. Okay, and I can see the lace looking a little light, so I'm gonna go in with a little lace tint and darken this lace a little bit. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in and add a little baby hair. I'm really not sure what style I wanna do just yet. Like, I don't know, but let's do this baby hair. Well, let me just work on one side at a time before I get too overwhelmed. I was over here gonna cut both sides. And I'm gonna blow dry it to just kind of mold the baby hair a little bit. I think I might want to do an updo. I love doing updos with Ashimary hair because they have that full 13x4s, 13x6s. Like, I just feel like the updos really eat. With my last Ashimary wig, I did like the pigtails, and that one was super cute to me. Okay, so I think I might want to do like a nice middle part look. Let me see. So I know it's that TikTok style everyone does. I kind of want to do that. So let's try the middle part and see what we're working with. Let's see how it looks with the middle part. Or should I do like a side part and go Jessica Rabbit on the girls? Like, that kind of, ooh, that eats. Yeah, we're going to do a side part. We're going to do a side part. So let's do this. Okay, so I do need to pluck a little hair out of the part to make it just wider and open up a little more, but like, it already looks so cute. Let's open up this part a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my slick stick and kind of slick it down a little bit. But it already is eating. This is a cute color. I guess this is, I don't know. This is like, it is a little more reddish than auburn, I think. But this is a cool color, I would say. So over here, I need to free the ear a little bit, is what I like to call it. Just so I could tuck my hair behind my ear. So I'm gonna cut off this excess lace near my ear. And I'm also gonna add sideburns because I love sideburns with a side part. I think they're so cute. And we're gonna add a little makeup to the part because one thing about colored hair, sometimes you lose the part because it's just so much color, which happens with every colored wig. So let's just add a little makeup. Cute. Okay, it's looking cute. It's looking super cute. So let me kind of separate these curls a little more. Like, look at that. It looks so cute. And this color is just eating. It looks really pretty. This is a very fall-y color. Okay. This looks very cute. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and it looks so good. I'm actually in love with this color and the side part. Like, it is really eating the girlies up. Like, this looks cute and I'm so happy I did not have to actually curl the hair. Like, I'm not that good at curling hair and I definitely can't do curls like this, and they're just so bouncy and beautiful. Like, it is eating. I love it. I did not pluck the hairline or bleach the knots. I literally just put on that, okay, I literally just put on the lace tint and installed the wig. I just kind of plucked the part, of course. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I did rake out the curls a little bit, and y'all, I wanted you to see it like this because this eats. Like, look at this. Like, oh my goodness, looks beautiful. I need to figure out how to do these curls because it is cute.